Please subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you for your support.
To U.S. Code Chapter 24, Congressional Accountability. To U.S. Code Subchapter 2, Extension of Rights and Protections. To U.S. Code Part E, General. To U.S. Code Paragraph 1361, Generally Applicable Remedies and Limitations. A. Attorney's fees if a covered employee, with respect to any claim under this chapter, or a qualified person with a disability, with respect to any claim under Section 1331 of this title, is a prevailing party in any proceeding under Section 1405, 1406, 1407, or 1408 of this title, the hearing officer, board, or court, as the case may be, may award attorney's fees, expert fees, and any other costs as would be appropriate if awarded under Section 2000E5K of Title 42. B. Interest in any proceeding under Section 1405, 1406, 1407, or 1408 of this title, the same interest to compensate for delay in payment shall be made available as would be appropriate if awarded under Section 2000E16D of Title 42. C. Civil penalties and punitive damages. No civil penalty or punitive damages may be awarded with respect to any claim under this chapter. D. Exclusive procedure 1. In general, except as provided in paragraph 2, no person may commence an administrative or judicial proceeding to seek a remedy for the rights and protections afforded by this chapter except as provided in this chapter. 2. Veterans. A covered employee under Section 1316 of this title may also utilize any provisions of Chapter 43 of Title 38 that are applicable to that employee. E. Construction 1. Definitions and exemptions except where inconsistent with definitions and exemptions provided in this chapter, the definitions and exemptions in the laws made applicable by this chapter shall apply under this chapter. 2. Size limitations notwithstanding paragraph 1, provisions in the laws made applicable under this chapter, other than the Worker Adjustment and Retraining Notification Act, 29 U.S.C 2101 et sec., determining coverage based on size, whether expressed in terms of numbers of employees, amount of business transacted, or other measure, shall not apply in determining coverage under this chapter. 3. Executive branch enforcement. This chapter shall not be construed to authorize enforcement by the executive branch of this chapter. To U.S. Code Paragraph 1362, Notices. A. In general, every employing office shall post and keep posted, in conspicuous places upon its premises where notices to covered employees are customarily posted, a notice provided by the office that 1. Describes the rights, protections, and procedures applicable to covered employees of the employing office under this chapter, concerning violations described in subsection B, and 2. Includes contact information for the office. B. Violations. A violation described in this subsection is 1. Discrimination prohibited by Section 1311A of this title, including, in accordance with Section 1302C of this title, discrimination prohibited by Title II of the Genetic Information Non-Discrimination Act of 2008, 42 U.S.C 2000 FF et sec., or 1316A of this title, and 2. A violation of Section 1317 of this title that is related to discrimination described in paragraph 1,